What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. It's your boy Trey here in the E34 wagon today. Today I'm doing a needed repair. Alright, so today we're going to be preventing fire in the wagon by replacing the blower motor, which you can see right here, and the blower motor resistor. And I'm going to show y'all why that is so important to replace on E34s in general, because leaves like to get stuck in here and they cause a fire, and so I gotta take it apart. I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. So the blower motor sits behind the coolant reservoir right here, so I just gotta take off both tins on both sides to get this coolant reservoir out the way so I could get to the blower motor and replace that. Even have this cover off, but you can see just how much debris is just hiding all in here. Boom, that cover is off now, and there it is, the original 1994 BMW blower motor. Now just taking that out and replacing it and then putting it all back together. But I will be replacing the air filter, the cabin filter, as well as the resistor. So I'll take that out. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's kind of hard to see. Let's see if I can zoom in. But there is a cabin filter that sits right behind there, and it is just covered in filth. So definitely going to replace that as well while we're in there. For the resistor, I do have to go into the cabin and go under the steering wheel in the right corner where the footwell is, and that's where I replaced the resistor at in the filter. So but it is cool to see it from right here and see how dirty it is. So yeah, let's go ahead and replace that blower motor. All right, so there's a clip that sits on the blower motor itself right here, and you just gotta flip that up, and the blower motor should be able to come out now, like so. Out. Boom, there it is. Still has the BMW part number on it somewhere. Yeah, right there. It's pretty cool. This thing's ancient, but it's good because we got the new one right here. Look how fresh that looks. So that's gonna look really good in there. You might be able to see that the cabin air filter back there. See how dirty it is. It's been recirculating all that dirt, so that's gonna be nice to clean up. I think right now I'm gonna go into the cabin and do the resistor. While everything is opened up, I should be able to pull the air filter out, and I can vacuum from right here and vacuum from inside the cabin as well. So I think that's what I'm gonna do now, but glad to have this out. Alright, coming into the interior now. Just want to take this screw off right here where this panel is, and that allows you to get back there where all the resistors and all that stuff is. So I'm just going to take this screw out right there. So I got the resistor out right here. You can see kind of how it looks. It's definitely been replaced before, but it's a little crusty around the edges, but really not as bad as I was expecting. You can see how the new one looks very, very clean compared to it. So you can see this one still looks pretty good. I thought there was gonna be a bunch of leaves stuck in there. I watched a ton of videos online and they had a bunch of leaves in there, but still a good thing to do, because these like to catch a bunch of leaves from the blower motor, and they get stuck in there, and then it catches on fire. Gets really hot with all those leaves, and just starts burning everything up. I'm just going to take a vacuum and still vacuum out that little cubby just because I'm right here. But you can see all these wires that are just under this dash. Really need to go through and just see where all these wires go to and eliminate all the stuff that, you know, isn't being used, and just loose wires, kind of like this right here, just sitting here. So I'm just gonna do that. Alright guys, now I'm on the passenger side of the vehicle. Now replacing the cabin air filter. So this whole glove box has to come off. I already got it started a little bit by taking off the clips on both sides of the hinges. So now that those are off, I should be able to just move this off on the side right here like that, and just do the same on both sides, and it should be able to drop down. Okay, so you can see the glove box is removed. The air duct that goes to right here has been removed as well. I did undo these little harnesses right here, and the air filter sits right behind here. So now I should be able just to get it straight out now and put the new one in. You can see the filter right here. That thing is big dirty. That thing is disgusting. Oof. That looks pretty bad. So, nice fresh filter about to go in. Just want to show y'all all the carnage just going in. You can see the flashlight through that little hole right there. That's where I was working. Let me see if I can show you. Everything's ripped apart, man. We are all deep in here. See, the glove box is open on the other side, so major work going down here. Nothing too crazy, but just mandatory work, I guess you could say. So now I'm at a state where everything needs to go back together now. But first, let me show you what that new filter looks like. Boom, nice, fresh filter. So let's go ahead and install it. Alright, so off camera, I went ahead and put in the new blower motor, and that's how it looks all together. Everything, all the harnesses connected and the strap back on. So now I just gotta put the cover back on it and put the coolant reservoir back in its spot, and that will be done as far as that is concerned. And then the only thing left will be to just put the resistor back into place, and then tighten up this whole left side over here because it's still apart. So I'll just go ahead and do that. Alright guys, it's the next day now. I was very tired last night, so just took a break, and now a nice little fresh start. Basically had the wall back together now. I just got to put the coolant tank back in its place. I do want to wrap this electrical harness right here with some electrical tape just to secure that back in its spot, nice and good. Also got some zip ties to secure it better. So after that, then I should be all good here, and then go ahead and start this thing and get it out of here. So you can see now everything is back together as it should be. So yeah, that's basically it. Now this thing is ready to go. Guys, as you can see, the steering wheel is stuck upside down. The clock spring is cooked, and this thing is like horrendous to drive. I mean, you just gotta drive it like this, upside down basically. But that's all gonna change today. I got a Momo steering wheel for this thing. I'm about to show y'all in a second. But let's go ahead and rip this steering wheel off because it is busted. You can look right here. You can see it like peeling up right here. So definitely gotta get rid of this. So I got my little ratchet here. It's a T30 on the back side, on both sides. You'll just feel around, and there's like two T30 bolts right there. Just fit it in there, turn it, and the steering wheel airbag should come off after that. Alright, so I got the T-Torques off. As you can see, now there's only one thing left on the back side, which is the airbag assembly in itself. So I disconnected the arms wire, just pried it off. But this right here is the airbag in my hand, as you can see. Nice big old BMW airbag. Well, it won't need this anymore. I doubt it even worked to begin with. But as you can see, this is the steering wheel basically naked. So I just took a 16 and removed the first bolt that goes on the front of the steering wheel, and relatively the whole thing should just kind of just wiggle off here. So just like that, the steering wheel is off now. So you see it's just the little thing right here, the centric bolt. So now I can show y'all what I got. Alright, so show y'all what I got. This is a little hint right here. Momo, of course. And this is just for like the, I guess you could say the hub. Boom. Alright, so I'm now gonna show y'all the steering wheel I got too. Boom. So you can see Momo and his wood grain going across here to kind of add to like the wood effect of the car. So this definitely looks a lot better. I can't wait to see how this looks inside the interior of the car. Kind of add that sort of period correct kind of aspect to it. So very excited to see how this turns out. I'm gonna let y'all know right now, I'm just trying to figure this out, kind of how it goes on my own here, not really knowing what I'm doing, just kind of putting things together, piecing it together as I go. But I'm assuming this piece just goes on like that from here, because it has like the whole breakdown right here. Pretty sure it's on there now. Alright, so everything is nice and tight now. Boom, there goes the horn button. And boom, there it is. The steering wheel is installed and it looks so good too. Kind of makes everything look, feels nice in the hand too. What's up guys, going back into this video again. I'm not sure if I filmed the outro or not, but I'm making this video just to kind of show y'all how everything looks now. Don't look at the shift knob, that's coming in a later video, but as you can see, I got the whole Momo set up now, and this wheel looks so nice, man. This wheel feels good in my hand. It just looks good. The whole driving experience is like a whole nother level when you actually have the correct steering wheel. Hope you guys like this video. Lots of work done going down on the wagon, man, and you know, it's good thing to see. We got lots of more stuff coming for the wagon. Gotta make this build nice, man. It's gonna be one of the cleanest wagons on YouTube for sure, bro. So if y'all like the video, please like, please subscribe to me, man. I'm on the road to 2,000 subscribers, so just help me get there. Definitely do appreciate it. So I'll see y'all in the next one, and y'all be safe.